Welcome to Laundry Stain Solutions, how to wash your clothes with dish soap. Today we're going to do a large size basket. This is my daughter's laundry, and we're going to use 7th generation dish liquid. I have tried 7th generation laundry detergent. This is a big no-no. They use petroleum or some kind of oil in their product. The same with this kind of a laundry detergent. This is what we're not going to use. We are going to use dish soap. And I do like 7th generation's dish liquid, just not their laundry detergent, because this has some kind of oil in it that causes stains on my clothes and on your clothes. If you're here watching this video, you have stains. The way to stop that is to use dish liquid to wash your clothes. So, a large load. This is actually probably a medium large. I'm going to use 3 squirts, or that is the equivalent of 3 teaspoons. So you can just eyeball the teaspoon measurement. So what we're going to do is go 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons. That should be enough. If it was a larger load, I would use 4. So 3 should be good for this. This is rather between medium and large. So you just turn on your washer. I'm going to put it on normal bedding, put it on warm, and I think I am going to actually put it on medium. All right, and I'll show you what it looks like when it starts sudsing up and starts agitating. All right, so the washer has filled up on our medium setting, and we are going to see the amount of suds that the 3 squirts created for a medium load. Okay, so we have this much suds. This is pretty good. You can see that it did not overflow. It didn't cause any damage to the washer. Just some nice dish soap suds, and this works very well at cleaning clothes that have a lot of body oils on them, and it just gets your clothes so nice and clean, and they don't have any smell to them when they're washed with dish soap, and it just works out really well. The secret, though, which I am here to share with you, is just using the right amount of dish soap for your load size. So today we used a medium-ish load of laundry, and we used 3 squirts of dish soap. So we're just gonna start that back up again, and I will see you next time with more laundry stain solutions and how to wash your clothes with dish soap.